Hi guys, if you're new to our channel, we are Adam, Leo, Mila and Sofia, and this is our first 24 hours in Bangkok.
Live your life within the moment.
This is why I miss Thailand so much. You just walk and you see food everywhere. One thing that you should never be worried about in Thailand is to get food. I love it so much, guys. I love the noisy, I love the craziness, I love the smell. There is nothing here that I don't like. You can walk and then you can find under the bridge a whole new world. A hair salon and shakes and soups and shoes.
Yeah. Man. All right, so we just bought some, what is this even called? I gotta remember, is it the BTS or is it the, honestly, what's it called? So we just bought 4 one-day passes to use the BTS, the SkyTrain here in Bangkok. Costs 140 baht, which is like $3, and you can ride all day till midnight. This will expire at midnight. You could have bought a rabbit card where you could add money, but there's a non-refundable fee. You got to pay for that, and we didn't really need it because we were here for a couple days. And anyways, here we go. Let's try to ride.
So we need to go to a station that's called the Sok.
Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker.
Hi guys, welcome to Terminal 21. This is one of the biggest and the coolest food court in Bangkok. I heard so much about this place. Are you ready? Let's go to explore.
From the drinks and chatter, haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream.
This is the line to buy the card for food.
500 please.
No one else can see her. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over.
Berry, banana, and ice blend, and it's fabulous.
So Mila is getting a hot dog. It's very hard for Mila to eat here. It's good.
All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Really good, spicy. We'll see how much more I eat. It's not the crazy spiciest thing I've ever had, but you cut that. It's commune flavor. Really good.
What flavor?
Commune.
Oh. Okay, so I'm going to try. I got chicken here, a little sweet. They have a kick to it, spicy, because there is here a little pepper. This is, I don't know what it's called in English. In Chinese, it's called Kong Ching Chai, and this is my favorite thing in the world. It's just grass. It's just a grass bamboo, but it tastes So yummy. It's come with garlic and a little beef. I know I order a lot of stuff. This is my papaya salad. It's usually so spicy that it's crazy. I'll go to try it. Not spicy at all.
Doesn't look spicy yet.
No, very, very tasty. One more. I have here a steer beef. A little sweet in a sense, but very, very spicy. Very spicy.
Feel the air get thinner.
My mouth is burning, absolutely burning. I'm going to get one more shake. We're going to get one melon shake and one watermelon shake. Let's go.
I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
So Miss Mila got this alien, and now we're going to walk around the mall with this alien. This is what you do on your first day in Bangkok. Get an alien. This alien cost us $6.70, 250 baht. So unfortunately, our friend alien have to be deflated because they not allow us in the train. Actually, the other stations say the same. And we were like, okay, whatever, let's walk to the next station. Maybe we can sneak him in. They saw us, they ran to us. They say, nope, please deflate your aliens. Unfortunately, our new friend and new baby of the family is going to be deflated. We got some help because we can deflate our alien friend. They saw us exhausted. Welcome to MBK! We were so excited to be back in Bangkok after 11 years that we decided to take a night walk in the MBK. There is always so much to see and so much to do in this amazing mall. Food! I couldn't resist. I saw this noodle soup and I was like, okay, I have to eat it. Banana loti is absolutely one of our favorite desserts to eat in Bangkok, especially when it's come with Nutella. The kids were so excited to try it for the first time and they loved it. It was a very long day exploring Bangkok. We loved everything and this is the time to go back home. Wow, this is big. Look at this fish. Okay, did you see this fish? This is crazy. It's just the bridge by our Airbnb and they fish in here every night. And they have so much fish in the dirtiest lake you can ever imagine. I don't know if you want to eat this fish, but probably this is the fish we're all eating here in Bangkok. Anyways, this is all for today. Thank you for following along with us and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, while I'm walking home, I see a stranger. Hello, Mr. Adam. How was your day?
My day was very, very good. Very hot. Lots of good food. Too much shopping. Forgot how bargaining worked. It's a learning process. I love Bangkok though.